Welcome to Malaysia. No, actually, Jet and I went to the Batu Caves. So the video you are about to see is him and I going to the Batu Caves and checking it out. There is, I think, 222 steps going up to the main part, which you'll see in the video. Jet's going to tell you a little bit about that area.
They're very old caves, and there's lots of Hindu imagery there. Lots of Hindus go there. It's a big deal for them.
It's a Hindu site.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, welcome to the Batu Caves. Rock and roll. We're at the Batu Caves. Hey, monkey. This is crazy and cool. There's monkeys all over the place along with pigeons. It's pretty wild. What? We'll be right back. They have a lot of little shops here too at the Batu Caves, which are really cool. They sell all kind of, what's it called? Batu. Sorry. They sell all kind of little treats here. And of course you have a swarm of birds floating around all over the place. It's a cool Hindu temple. Our driver was really awesome. He taught us a lot about Malaysia on our ride here. And here is the beginning of the 220 steps. Jet and I are going to conquer this right now. Once again, I will probably stop the camera here for a bit because Jet and I are going to be huffing and puffing trying to make it up here. I'll show you a quick tour of all the other stuff here. This place is wild, and it's almost overwhelming because there's so much stuff here and so much stuff going on. Well, Jet and I are going to try to tackle these stairs. We'll hopefully see you guys on the top. On top of the Batu Caves.
Not at all.
Okay, so we reached the top of these second flight of stairs here. And this is one of the inner parts of the cave. And it goes all the way to this center that's opened up to the skies. And it leads you to where people pray. And people come here to pray. Pretty interesting. And of course, there's monkeys abound everywhere. Welcome to the Batu Caves. I made friends with a monkey up here. His name's Chuckles.
Yeah? Anything about Chuckles you like?
Well, Chuckles really likes, like Jet, coconut.
Yeah.
So him and Jet were talking, and they decided that the coconut was too delicious to pass up.
We can zoom in, right?
Jet wants to share with Chuckles what he thinks. Chuckles the monkey. Our little monkey friend hanging out and chilling. Just chillaxing, eating some stuff, enjoying life to the best of his ability.
Little monkey guy.
That is a beautiful monkey right there, my friend.
He's just hanging out.
Just chilling.
Maybe some kind of like peanut butter or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like it's peanut butter of some sort. All right, until next time.